Of course, after the championship, madaming celebration na pinuntahan ng team. So tell us naman, ano yung naging celebration ng team in the locker room before kayo umalis?
Siyempre, relief. Kasi yun yung trinabaho namin eh.
Yeah.
I mean, then natapos na yung liga, lahat ng sakripisyo, lahat ng pagod, nakuha namin yung goal namin. So, sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam. And then, yung goal na after 36 years, nakuha ng UP ulit yung championship. It's very,
Very.
special for us. Kasi we worked so hard for it. So, yeah.
Okay, so bonfire. How did it feel to celebrate with the community?
Sarap, no?
Ito.
Ang dami.
Alala
Sobrang
mo.
napa-appreciative ng UP community. Kasi lahat sila parang parang nasa palibot namin, parang tuwang-tuwa sila na nakuha namin yung championship.